This week on Brand New Vegan, we're making a spicy tempeh chorizo. Stay tuned. We're making chorizo out of tempeh. That's those little packages you see in the store. You probably don't know what it is. Yeah, we're going to use some of that stuff. We're going to cut it open and take it out of the package. And it's just soybean. That's what it is. Fermented soybean cake. And we're going to cube it up. It makes incredible crumbles like hamburger. And that's why we're using it. So we're going to cube it up and put it in a food processor. Now you can chop it up yourself if you want, but this is easy. And I'll put a link to that little chopper down below. It's very handy. I got it for Christmas. I love it. And you'll see how easy that makes it look just like hamburger or sausage. So there we go. Dump that in a bowl. And now we're going to take some of my red chili sauce and we're going to spice it up a bit. That's ancho chili powder and some smoked paprika and some cumin and some coriander and some oregano and some sage and some salt. And I'll have all the exact amounts in the blog post, so check that out below. We'll put in some vinegar and a little bit of water. Whisk that all up. Nice and smooth. Bring back our tempeh, dump that in, and you have chorizo. Now, if you've never had chorizo, it's like a spicy Mexican sausage. You can do all kinds of things with it. Tacos, burritos, enchiladas. Don't that look good? Looks just like chorizo, and it tastes amazing. So I made tacos. So I have some onion and red bell pepper sauteing here. And if your pan ever gets too dry, just add a little broth. We don't use oil here. No oil at all, just broth or water. Get that nice and softened. Dump in our chorizo. Just like that. And just heat it until it's cooked through. Just like making hamburger or sausage. If the pan ever gets dry, add a little bit more broth. Simple. Mexican chorizo made out of tempeh. A little chili flake, maybe some cayenne if you like it spicy. And there you go. So easy, so quick, so good. I made tacos, so I put some down on my corn tortilla there. And got some lettuce. Like I said, this is so versatile. You could use it for enchiladas. You could make burritos. Any place you would normally use chorizo, you can use this instead. It's so easy. If you got family and friends who are not vegan and you want to impress them, try something like this. They might like it. That's the recipe for the week. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and ring the bell so you get notified of every video I put out. And I will see you again next week on Brand New Vegan. This is Chuck. Thanks for watching.